The next page we'll modify is the About page. Go ahead and open the about.php page in the text editor. We'll need to do a few things on this page. First, we need to change the page titles and headers. This image over here will also be replaced with a YouTube video. We'll go ahead and change the sample text over here to relevant text. We'll also update the image placeholders and the names below. And just like we did for the home page, we'll delete the navigation menu code block and replace it with our include statement. So the navigation menu will be included from the external file. So let's go ahead and get started. Scroll down to line 12 and change the page title. Scroll down to line 35 and change this text here. This represents this heading. Do the same on line 81 and 135. Now this is for this heading here. And line 135 is our copyright. So next we'll delete our navigation code block and replace it with our include statement. So I'll just scroll up to line 39 and delete that entire block. And then paste in the include statement. Let's go ahead and replace this text with the relevant text. And so on line 56, I'm just going to delete the text inside the paragraph tags and paste in the new text. And there we go. So the next thing we want to do here is replace the image with an embedded YouTube video. First, we need to locate the code block which pertains to this image. One way of doing that is using the development tools in your web browser. So if you right-click on this image, I'm using Google Chrome, and just click Inspect, you'll notice it highlights the code block pertaining to that image. And we can see that the source is slide2.jpg. So I can just look for that code in our file, and I found it here on line 53. If you're dealing with a page that has a lot more code, you can always just press Ctrl F to find a specific line of code. To embed a YouTube video, go to youtube.com and you can pick any video you like. Again, this is just for sample purposes. I'll go ahead and choose this one. Just click on it and copy the URL for the video. So right click and hit copy. Now go to this web page. It's called embedresponsively.com. This web page will automatically generate the CSS to embed your desired YouTube video responsively. So all we need to do is paste the YouTube page URL and hit embed. So you can see a preview. And just copy the code here, the embed code, and paste it in place of our image. So I'll just close this, and I've saved the file, and I'll press refresh, and you can see that it's embedded the video, and it is responsive as well. Okay, so it's a much easier way than having to type out this entire style sheet. And remember, if you'd like, you can also put this style sheet in your head tag, but for now we'll just leave it as an inline style tag. Lastly, we need to change the images over here under the heading Our Team. So we'll scroll down, and for me that's going to be on line, the first image is going to be on line 74. So I just need to change this source. We already have these images located in our images folder, so just type in image/about1.jpg. That's the name of the first image. And this one will be about2.jpg. And when you press refresh, after saving, all the images will be there. Next, just go ahead and change the names underneath each image. And we don't need the job title, so I'm just going to get rid of that. And save and refresh. Okay, and that's all the changes we need to implement for the About page. So just remember to save your changes and then refresh your browser to preview the updated file.